you can buy a two-bedroom condo for in the $200,000 price range. That's $200,000 condo pays out, can pay out anywhere between $4,000 and $5,000 a month. All right, so as a rental, and who goes down to Florida,
Uh,
right? A lot of
mm-hmm.
snowbirds and a lot of people who want a vacation there. So now if we take that $5,000 a month, let's say, on a yearly basis, you're talking about
Mm-hmm.
$60,000. um, when everything is said and done, you may be able to have like a $48,000 profit a
Mm-hmm.
year. You're talking about $4,000 a month.
Mm-hmm.
Who could not, right? Who wouldn't want to have an extra $4,000 a month
Mm-hmm.
in their
Mm-hmm.
pockets?
And
Right? That's one. And if you continue to leverage, that, and like, your mentor said, in a couple of years you can pull out money equity because now the price of the property has gone up,
mm-hmm.
right? Now you're pulling out more money. Now you're buying more. Before you know it, you're building a little, conglomerate of properties that you own.
Mm-hmm.
Um,